MyFax provides 100 templates that you can use as cover pages for your faxes. To download these free templates, go to www.myfax.com/free-fax-cover-sheets. The templates are split into 7 basic categories for you to browse through: basic, professional, business, urgent, modern, occupational, and fun. Or you can browse through all templates at once. Click on the thumbnails to see a larger preview. Once you find a design you like, save it for your own use by simply clicking the download button and click Save. All of the MyFax cover page templates are editable in Microsoft Word or any other word processing software capable of viewing doc files. Simply fill in the information and save the file. The saved cover page file can then either be uploaded to the Send a Fax form online or attached to an email. For both methods, you will need to add the cover page as the very first file attachment in order to have it appear as the first page in the received fax. If you are using the Send a Fax form on the web, make sure you have unchecked Include Cover Page. If you are sending the fax via email, make sure the body of the email is entirely blank. You can enter the command No Cover Page into the body of the email to ensure any text in the body, such as automated signatures, is ignored in favor of your attached cover page. Once you have attached the cover page to your fax, you may continue to send the fax as normal.